Hi everyone, I am going to just quickly show you how to do a open house, open waiting room Zoom meeting. I'm going to show you how to schedule it, and then I'm going to talk about what the other link is going to be for the one with the waiting room. So I'm going to just click schedule a meeting right in the top hand corner. This is just on my home screen. I'm under meetings, and then I'm going to click this, and I'm going to just label it open house so I don't get confused. And then instead of doing a date or a time, I'm going to just click reoccurring meeting. I'm going to go to no fixed time. That way I can start and stop the meeting anytime that I want. I'm going to unclick waiting room and unclick passcode. That way anybody can join the meeting whenever they want. All of the rest of this is pretty much good. Mute participants upon entry you want to make sure is clicked. And then if you have a co-teacher or aide or anybody you want to host the meeting with you, you can add them here. And then you're going to click save. This is the link you're going to give to Matt. So you can also click copy invitation and send this to Matt as the open meeting for open house without the waiting room. And then I'm going to go back to my home page, so my meetings right here, and I'm going to have all three of my meetings ready to go. So these are the two with the waiting room. These are just my classroom links. I'm going to use the exact same links for open house, the ones with the waiting room. That way my students have access to it as well as the parents. And then open house meeting is the one without the waiting room. So those are my 2 links or 3 links, depending on if you have a different link for AM and PM or if you have the same link. But it should be just 2 or 3 links for your open house form. So if you have any questions about filling it out, let me know. And anytime you're ready to start the meeting, you just hit start, and that's it.